हाँ बेटे हुण आपां बायोलॉजी दे 3 पेपर तो मैं देखो सॉल्व करके अपलोड कर दिते ने। अज आपां हुण 4th पेपर बायो का डिस्कस कर देंगे। क्वेश्चनस ने जिहड़े उन्हां नूं तुसीं अपनी बुक्स के उत्ते टिक लगा के उन्हां नूं याद कर लेना। आलमोस्ट तुहानूं याद ही होणगे, जेकर कोई रहिंदा होएगा तो उसनूं तुसीं याद करके लिख लेना है। MCQ मैं सारे सॉल्व कर दिते ने। फस्ट है बंबू स्पीशीज फ्लावर ओनली वंस इन देयर लाइफ टाइम जनरली आफ्टर 50 to 100 years. A typical angiospermic embryo sac at maturity is 8 nucleate and 7 celled. Sporopollenin is present in axine. Common STD in India is gonorrhea. Variations caused by mutations as proposed by Hugo de Vries are random and directionless. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development, gynecomastia, and is sterile? That is Klinefelter syndrome. Next question है, to initiate translations the mRNA first bind to the smaller ribosomal subunit. A option is the. Then Miller and Very performed an experiment to prove the origin of life. They took gases ammonia and hydrogen along with the option है B, water and methane. Next cancer causing agent is known as option है the D. Carcinogen. That हैगा 33% of India's gross domestic product comes from agriculture. Which of the following is a commercial blood cholesterol lowering agent? Statin. The first human hormone produced by recombinant DNA technology is insulin. Which one of the following population interaction is widely used in medical science for the production of antibiotics? That is option D as the. Kyoto Protocol was endorsed at D option as the. Which one of the following is not used for ex situ plant conservation? Shifting cultivation. How many hotspots of biodiversity in the world have been identified till date? Normal Myers, that is 34. Next ਆਪਾਂ true false ਦੱਸਣੇ ਆ. First menstrual cycle ceases during pregnancy, that is right. Common cold is caused by bacteria Streptococcus and pneumonia is caused by rhinovirus, that is false. Plants, bacteria, fungi and animal whose genes have been altered by manipulation are called genetically modified organisms, that is true. Mating between related members of the same breeds is outcrossing, false. Lichens are examples of proto-cooperation interaction between two different species, that is false. Phosphorus cycle is an example of sedimentary cycle, that is true. Next fill in the blanks. First the ability of a gene to have multiple effects is known as pleiotropy. Next DNA fingerprinting, also known genetic fingerprinting, was developed by a British genetist, Professor Alec Jeffreys. Female Anopheles spreads malaria. Whereas Culex spreads filariasis. Next, commercial production of honey these days is detected with presence of antibiotics. Electrophoresis technique for separation of DNA was pioneered by Tiselius. इस ब्लैंक दे विच भरना तुसीं टाइसेलियस. A dash is a network formed by interconnection of many food chains to provide alternative pathways of food availability. That is food web. Next अगे 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन ने. थ्री मार्क्स. नेक्स्ट अगला पेपर आ 5th. The condition in which both male and female reproductive organs are found on the same plant is called both A and D. A वाला यूनिसेक्सुअल और D क्या मोनोशियस. The phenomenon wherein the ovary develops into a fruit without fertilization is called, यदि option A. The number of female nuclei involved in double fertilization is C. Medical termination of pregnancy is considered safe up to how many weeks of pregnancy? That is B option. A woman has X-linked condition on one of her X chromosomes. This can be inherited by D option is the. If both parents are carriers for thalassemia, which is an autosomal recessive disorder, what are the chances of pregnancy resulting in an affected child? B option is the. Next, which one of the following represents palindromic sequence in DNA? A. Abiogenesis occurs about dash billion years ago. Which of the following is not a derivative of opium? That is cocaine. Sahiwal is a breed of cow. Which one of the following is not used in organic farming? Snail. Genetically engineered bacteria are being employed for production of human insulin. Which one of the following is a partial root parasite? A option is the. Good ozone is found in the C option, stratosphere. The highest number of species in the world is represented by fungi. Which one of the following shows maximum genetic diversity in India? That is rice. Now, true, false. Presence or absence of hymen is not a reliable indicator of virginity or sexual experience. That is true. A pregnant woman who drinks is putting the health of her baby at risk. True. GEAC stands for Genetic Engineering Advanced Commission. Wrong. Spirulina cyanobacteria is used as single cell protein. Right. In communalism, one organism is benefited and other is not harmed. Right. The global quantity of carbon is 71% found dissolved in oceans. That is true. Next, fill in the blanks. An example of triploid tissue is endosperm. DNA fingerprinting works on the principle of dash in DNA sequence. Polymorphism. इत्थे तुसी लिखना polymorphism. Next blank है the primary lymphoid organs are dash and dash bone marrow and thymus gland. Bone marrow and thymus gland. Next है पूसा सदाबहार is a disease resistant variety against viral diseases and it belongs to plant chili. RI plasmid is obtained from Agrobacterium rhizogenes. Rhizogenes. The succession occurring on sand is called semacere. नेक्स्ट बेटा 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस ने थ्री मार्क्स दे नैक्सट 5 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन। नैक्सट अगला पेपर आ 6th पेपर। ड्यूरिंग फेवरेबल कंडीशंस अमीबा रिप्रोड्यूसेस बाय बाइनरी फिशन। Pollination by insects is B option as the. Pick the odd one out, that is A. Reproductive health is the well-being of all of these. The incorrect statement with regard to hemophilia is it is a dominant disease. ये incorrect है। In the F2 generation of a Mendelian dihybrid cross, the number of phenotypes and genotypes are option इसकी है D. DNA replication is in bacteria is नहीं है तो गलत लिखा। DNA replication in bacteria occurs prior to fission. The wings of bat and birds are homologous but not analogous. In In higher vertebrates, the immune system can distinguish self cells and non-self. If this property is lost due to genetic abnormality and it attacks self cells, then it leads autoimmune disease. Which one has the largest species variety in India? Rice. The residue left after methane production from cattle dung is used as a manure. Silency of a gene could be achieved through the use of शॉर्ट इंटरफेरिंग RNA भी है और एंटी सेंस RNA भी है, इस करके बोथ हो गए ए ते बी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए पार्शियल रूट पैरासाइट? ए ऑप्शन है जी संदलवुड. The loudness of a sound that a person can withstand without discomfort is about 80 decibel. The World Biodiversity Day is celebrated annually on 29th December. The main source of biofertilizers are bacteria, cyanobacteria, fungi, all of these. Next, true false. From ratty testes, a long coiled tube, the epididymis open into vasa differentia. Vas differentia कह लो जा. That is wrong. False है. Antiallergens are antihistamines and corticosteroids. That is true. The cry gene encoding cry protein in soil bacteria is isolated and introduced in cotton plant using agrobacterium TI plasmid mediated transformation. True है. Sonalika and Kalyan Sona are varieties of wheat. That is also true. Warm blooded animals are called homoiothermic. That is true. Decomposers have the largest population in the food chain. That is also true. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash is a cross involving two pairs of contrasting characters. इत्थे तुसी लिखना डाईहाइब्रिड. डाईहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. Both strands of DNA do not take part in transmission of genetic information. Next, French pox is the common name for the disease syphilis. ILLIS. MS Swaminathan developed dash variety of wheat by the use of gamma radiation. शरबती सोनोरा. ये है इत्थे शरबती सोनोरा SONORA. A thermostable enzyme Wnt polymerase was isolated from. ये वाली तुसी fill in the blanks भरनी है. Thermococcus litoralis. Next, last, the term ecology was first coined by अर्नस्ट हैकल, अर्नस्ट हैकल। नैक्सट बेटे 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चनस ने। थ्री मार्क्स। इस तरह 6 पेपर्स अपलोड हो जाएंगे हुण, ठीक है। 3 पहला अपलोड कर दिते, 3 ये वाले हो गए, 6 हो गए, तो 4 पेपर ने रह गए ने, जोड़े 4 रहिंदे ने पेपर, उन्होंने भी मैं अपलोड कर दूँगी। इस तरह ये एक्यूरेट बुलेट आ जोड़ा, इस दे 4 दे सॉरी 10 दे 10 पेपर ने जोड़े ये अपलोड हो जाएंगे बायो दे। तो इन्हों तुसीं बेटे याद करो और तैयारी करो पेपर की चंगी तरह।